Hi everyone, come along with me as we go to the Boca Raton Museum of Art to find something to draw. So I'm in the gallery upstairs and I'm going to draw this sculpture called Colts by Cheryl Pope, made out of wood sawhorses upholstered with vintage fur coats. Behind the sculpture is a painting by Larry Rivers called Delacroix, 1830 Chaos and Purpose from 1993. It's oil on canvas mounted to sculpted foam board. It says this construction is an interpretation of an homage to the French Romantic painter Eugene Delacroix and his 1830 masterpiece Liberty Leading the People. His painting has been called the first modern painting to depict the political causes of contemporary life. It's the July Revolution of 1830 that resulted in the overthrow of France's reigning monarch. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to start by measuring the size of the sculpture. I'm comparing the height to its width, and I notice that the height goes into the width 2 times. So I'm going to mark that on my paper. Here's my next drawing trick. If I'm drawing something that is not vertical or horizontal, I will take the side of my pencil and lean it against the object. Then I'm going to keep my pencil at that angle and place it on my paper. This is what the final drawing looks like. When I'm finished with the drawing, I leave the museum and go back to my home studio. In art museums, you can only draw with a pencil, so once I'm back at my studio, I can outline with a waterproof pen and start watercoloring. I'm painting the large areas of color first, and then I'm going to add the small details of the fur last. Most of the objects in this painting are either neutrals or browns or some kind of an earthy color. There's only a little bit of color in the Larry Rivers painting. So I'm using a palette mostly with yellow ochre, siennas, and my raw umber. For the floor and the background, I'm using mostly Payne's gray and some black. Before I left the museum, I made sure to take a lot of photos of what I was drawing so that once I'm home, I can refer to the photos on my phone for the colors. It's raw umber mixed with the sienna underneath. This is called a wet on wet technique. So it's starting to blend a little bit, which I am doing on purpose because I want it to look like it's, kind of fading together and it's going to look soft. Now that the first layer of the horses are dry, I'm going to start to paint the fur with more precision. And here's the final painting. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're inspired to go and draw something. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.